It's been great. It's been great watching all the interest from all the customers coming in. It seems that while Formnext is huge, there's a lot of AM suppliers, but there aren't that many testing services, so which makes us unique in that regard. I'm very excited to be here.
So much energy, so much enthusiasm everywhere. Everybody seems to be upbeat and determined to make AM really work, it seems.
At the moment, there isn't a way to seed flaws of certain morphology and size in AM parts, and so the qualification of NDT methods in AM has been lacking. Couple that with the fact that AM parts tend to have really complicated geometries that make it really difficult for other more conventional testing techniques. So for example, if you have a lot of internal features, you'll have a lot of internal reflection with something like ultrasound testing, or if you print your part out of really dense or absorbent material like copper or tungsten, it makes it really difficult for techniques like XCT to test your parts. Whereas we don't have those limitations, and so I think we're pretty well situated to be here. Well, it's been very positive. People are intrigued because we are the only company on the market that does nonlinear resonance. So people sometimes try to approximate it to something else that they're already familiar with, like ultrasonic testing. When you explain the wide range of things that we can test for, from the material properties and dimensional control for the linear metrics, or the flaw detection for the non-linear metrics, you start to get a lot more interest, especially in those industries where, like I said, they struggle with conventional testing techniques due to cost or speed or other considerations.
For many printer manufacturers, they've got barriers to persuading customers to adopt additive manufacturing in place of traditional manufacturing. A facilitating QA system like ours is an important part of the jigsaw for them in expanding their sales of printers. There are parts manufacturers who need to impress on customers that they can upstep the quality of the product they deliver to them. And then there are user customers who are wanting to require a higher standard from the suppliers. For all of those categories, we offer a unique solution.